Hello and welcome on our Roger Dat demo. First, we're going to start with a demo of our actual Roger Dat application. Before you can use Roger Dat, you have to create a Roger Dat account. Once you have created a Roger Dat account, you can log in on the Roger Dat app or on this website. This website is actually an exact copy of the Roger Dat app. The only difference being that there are 3 displays instead of the 1 display you get on your smartphone. As you can see, there can be a lot of different services associated with one Roger Dat account. In this case, there are 3 doctor services added and a few default Roger Dat demos. This inbox is a key feature of Roger Dat. Services can actually push messages out to specific users. Those messages will land in this inbox and notify the user like a real text message. This is a function which is totally very hard to code by yourself, so it's nice to have in Roger Dat. The doctor service has a very easy to use interface. You can find a lot of useful information here, for example office hours and the address. You can also call your own doctor, but obviously that will only work on your smartphone. Creating an appointment is very easy. You can choose between creating an appointment as soon as possible, this week, or you can choose your own date. When you've chosen a date, you'll get a list of all the available appointments on that date. You can get a list of all your appointments by clicking on the yellow icon, and you can also remove your current appointments. Next, we're going to have a look at the Roger Dat Server Administrator page. We get to that page by logging in with our special Roger Dat account. This is an account that we got from the Roger Dat developers. It's a special trial account. I'm not going to go into the specific details of how Roger Dat exactly works, because that would take up a lot of time. It's worth noting, however, that there is a lot of nice developer documentation on the Roger Dat website. So if you want to know a bit more about Roger Dat, I definitely recommend checking that out. You can do a lot of things in this admin interface. For example, in the service menu, you can edit the home screen of your service. So you can add new icons, change the color of icons, change the title of icons, stuff like that. You can also upload different screen brandings. Screen brandings are basically CSS files, but for your Roger Dat app. So you can really easily change the look and feel of your Roger Dat app. You can also create QR codes, and when someone scans this QR code with his or her Roger Dat app, your Roger Dat service is automatically added to their Roger Dat app. So it's a really easy way to spread your service to other people. Next, we're going to have a look at the web-based interface for doctors and patients. As a patient, you don't have to use Roger Dat to create an appointment. You can also use this widget that we created. Doctors can place this widget on their website. This will redirect to the My Doctor webpage. When there are appointments available on the given date, you will be able to see them in this drop-down list. When you have made an appointment, you'll get a confirmation mail sent to you. As a doctor, you'll be able to log in with your personal account associated with your personal service in the database. When you log in, you'll see a list of the 10 upcoming appointments and a calendar which will show all of the appointments in the next 7 days. You can also see all of your consulting hours. To add a new consulting hour, you can simply click on the calendar and select your hours. You can also delete and edit consulting hours by clicking on them. It can be a lot of work to manually edit all of your consulting hours. That's why we created the templates page. In the templates page, you can create a week template for all of your consulting hours. Then you can copy that week template to another week, month, or year. That was our demo. Thanks for watching.